The use of data analytics is becoming increasingly important in the e-commerce environment. Developing a deep understanding of and connection with the empowered consumer will be one of the most important factors in achieving long-term success over the next decade. And the only way to understand consumer behavior is to measure and analyze it. Welcome to our channel, E-commerce Know-How. Here are some best practices that will assist you in concentrating on the things that matter, while also using user e-commerce analytics to increase your online sales. Number 5. Gather scattered marketing data across channels and platforms. It can be difficult to manage your data when it is spread across multiple channels and platforms. Your sales data may be stored in Shopify, Magento, or any other e-commerce platform, and your paid ad data may be spread across Facebook, Google Ads, Taboola, and Outbrain. On top of that, you have your Google Analytics enhanced e-commerce data, customer relationship management platforms, email providers, and a slew of other data sources to contend with and analyze. Having to copy and paste all of that information from native analytics platforms or dozens of CSVs can be a real headache. The good news is that there is a more efficient and less time-consuming way to consolidate all of this data without wasting hours of your time. Data connectors allow you to pull information from any source and directly into Google Sheets, Excel, or Google Data Studio thanks to pre-built connectors. So instead of wasting valuable time consolidating data and transferring it between platforms and reports, you can devote your time to actually analyzing your marketing data. The ability to break down data silos and increase productivity, efficiency, and business agility will be made possible through smart e-commerce analytics tracking methods. Number 4. Understand the numbers and the customers. When data is collected solely for the purpose of having it on hand, it wastes both time and financial resources. By viewing the numbers through the lens of customer behavior, you should be able to comprehend what is being said about them. However, while marketing tools provide a plethora of information, they are not intended to provide cross-channel reporting capabilities. As a result of failing to see the big picture when looking at data in isolation, you are more likely to make mistakes and reach incorrect conclusions. As your marketing stack grows, the ability to see all of your data in one place will become increasingly important, allowing you to gain a clear picture of your users' behavior and identify areas for improvement. Number 3. Know and act. The ability to take action at the right time is essential for e-commerce success by using rule-based alerts to notify you when a specific product, category, or campaign is performing well or when inventory is running low. You can react in the most effective manner. A result of this will be the ability to build on what is working well while eliminating campaigns that are not delivering the results you were hoping for. With custom alerts delivered directly to your inbox, you'll always be aware of when it's time to take action. Number 2. Automate e-commerce dashboards. Once you've gathered all of your data, it's time to put the process into motion by automating it. As opposed to manually pulling reports, you can set your reports to refresh automatically, allowing you to spend more time on data analysis and providing value to your customers while they are waiting. You will save time and energy if you automate your processes. However, you will also reduce the likelihood of making a mistake. Developing a data-driven culture will assist you in reducing reporting time while focusing on analysis and insights. Number 1. Share analytics for streamlined communication between team members. The ability to communicate in a transparent and streamlined manner throughout the organization is critical for making informed decisions and for achieving organizational goals. Because of the numerous platforms that businesses are utilizing these days, it is difficult to share data with other members of the organization. To ensure a company's long-term growth, it's critical that information can be easily shared and understood across departments. Having centralized data that is simple to understand and share across the team will pay dividends in the long run. E-commerce analytics should be used at all stages of the customer lifecycle in order to provide a competitive customer experience. Using these insights, we will guide the optimization of consumer experiences across the discovery, acquisition, conversion, retention, and advocacy stages. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Ready to gather all your marketing metrics in one place and simplify e-commerce analytics? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.